Good evening. Welcome to Bella Vista. Here's the menu for you. Would you like to dine in or take away tonight?
Good evening. We'd like to dine in, please. Could we have a few more minutes to look at the menu?
Of course. Just wave when you're ready.
Excuse me, we're ready to order now.
I'll start with the grilled chicken salad, but could you make it with less dressing and no onions, please? I'm allergic to them.
Noted. No onions and light on the dressing.
For me, the seafood pasta sounds nice. Does it contain shellfish? I'm okay with fish, but not prawns or crab.
Yes, it has prawns. Would you prefer the vegetarian pasta instead? It's very popular.
That would be better, thank you. And extra cheese on top, if possible?
I'll go for the beefsteak, medium rare. And for drinks, could we have 3 iced lattes? One with no sugar, please.
Certainly. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
This looks amazing. Thank you.
Excuse me, could I ask for your recommendation? What's the most popular dessert here?
Our chocolate lava cake is a favorite. It's warm, gooey, and served with vanilla ice cream.
That sounds perfect. We'll take one to share.
I'm sorry, but this pasta is a little too salty for my taste. Could you please ask the chef to adjust it slightly if possible?
Of course, I'm very sorry about that. I'll bring a new one right away.
No rush. And when you're ready, could we have the bill, please?
Here's your bill. The total comes to $42.
Thank you. Do you accept card payments?
Yes, we do. Visa, MasterCard, or mobile payments.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Do you need any change? No, it's exact. Thank you.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for coming. We hope to see you again soon. Hello? Bella Vista Restaurant. How may I assist?
Hi. I'd like to make a reservation for this Saturday evening.
Certainly. For how many people and at what time?
For 4 people, around 7:30 p.m. if possible.
We have a table available at 7:30. May I have the name, please?
It's under Sarah Ahmed.
Confirmed. We'll see you on Saturday at 7:30. Thank you.
Hello again. I'm calling to cancel the reservation for Saturday under Sarah Ahmed.
No problem. I've canceled it. Is there anything else?
That's all. Thank you. This place is really nice. The environment is so relaxing. Soft lighting, good music, not too crowded.
Yeah, I agree. My favorite restaurant has to be this one because the food is always consistent and the service is polite.
Speaking of favorites, why do I like coffee shops so much? They're perfect for casual meetups. You can sit for hours with just a cappuccino, work on your laptop, or chat without feeling pressured to order more.
True, but restaurants feel more special, especially for celebrations.
What do you think about fast food versus healthy food? Fast food is quick and cheap, but I feel sluggish afterward. Healthy options like salads or grilled items make me feel better long term.
Exactly. I try to balance it, sometimes fast food for convenience, but mostly home-cooked or restaurant meals.
Table manners are important too, like not talking with your mouth full or using the napkin properly. It shows respect.
My first experience in a restaurant was when I was 12. I was so nervous about ordering in English, but the waiter was patient. Now it's easy.
How to order food in English is useful. Phrases like, Could I have, or is it possible to, make it polite and clear.
Eating out has so many advantages. You try new cuisines, no cooking or cleaning, and it's a good way to socialize.
Working as a waiter isn't easy, though. You deal with demanding customers, long hours on your feet, but it teaches patience and multitasking.
Definitely difficult, but rewarding if you enjoy people.
Shall we order that lava cake now? I'm ready for dessert.